Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update software on your Dell Chromebook 3400. To do that, first let's open the control center, select gear icon to open settings, then in settings go to about Chrome OS, which is the last tab on the sidebar, and here select check for updates. Now in order to check for updates, you're gonna need to establish a stable internet connection, so you can do this in the control center by selecting your Wi-Fi icon and connecting to a network that you know. And then if your device has an available update, it will start installing it automatically, and to finish the update you will also have to restart your laptop. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.